Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and it is time to open up another kit. And I don't even think I showed you this one. I found this one at Walmart. Yep, Walmart has some crochet kits. So I picked up one, and I'm hoping that the pattern is good and I can reuse the pattern and make this over and over again with other yarns. All right, so let me show you what it is first of all. It is a quick little chenille yarn chicken. Chickens are a super popular thing out there in craft show world. Everybody wants a chicken. And this one's called a beginner level. Skill level beginner. Knowledge of crochet is required. Sorry about the lighting. It's very weird. It is 5:30 at night. It's getting dark outside. So the lights are down. It's kind of dim. Come join me in my kitchen as we work on this. So here's what we get in our little package. We get our safety eyes and yay old plastic needle. I'm not a plastic needle fan at all. We have a hook. Hook has no size on it. But you know, I'm wondering if it's like a 4 weight. I have a 4 weight. A 4. I don't know, it might be even a little bit bigger than a 4. This is a 4 right here. Might be even larger. I don't know. I do have a measurer. I can measure these with, so I might measure this one at some point and see what size hook it is. I don't know if it'll tell us in the instructions. So what do we have? Oh, this is really soft. This is really nice. I like this. So we have this nice ball of white, and we have a little bit of red. This is super soft. It's almost like velvety. It's really nice. And some little brown and some pink. All right. I'm assuming we're starting with the white. So I'm going to leave the white out and put those back in there. Put these back in there so I don't lose them. You never know when a cat's going to come by and just go and make a mess. Can I show you the stuffing? It doesn't look like much stuffing, but it's a lot more stuffing than you would think. Okay. Materials: polyester, chenille yarn, fiberfill, hook, needle, eyes. Basic supplies. Perfect. Before you begin, read all the instructions. Well, why would we do that? We don't want to read the instructions first. Well, it gives us some pictures too. So we have pictures to help us along the way to know where things are supposed to go, which is nice. Okay, so step 1, we start with the body. Yes, we do. With color 1. Does it tell you someplace what the colors are? Oh, yep, right here at the top it does. Color 1 is white, color 2 is red, 3 is pink, and 4 is gold. That is gold, not brown, not tan, gold. Okay? So we have our hook, we have our yarn, and it tells us to do what? Is it my imagination? I don't think it's my imagination. Okay, look at it up close. Do you see it? Do you see it in the camera? You see what I'm seeing right through here? And right here? How about right here? Can you tell right here? Right there. It's pink. You guys, it's pink. Apparently, it would appear that maybe the red. Oh, no, it really is. It really is pink. It's hard for you to pick it up on the camera. Let's get really close. Come on, focus. Not on me. Focus on the yarn. Come on. It's not going to do it. You can see it though. Look. It's pink and pink and pink. Okay. Wow. And I mean, I can't just cut it out. It goes, you know, it's multiple. Okay. We're off to a great start. Let's just say we're off to a great start. Color 1 and 2. We're starting with color 1 and 2, and we're making a magic ring, okay? So let me get started with this a little bit. Hopefully that won't show up too much as we get going, but let me get started with this body and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I just finished row 8. There's 17 rows. And I have this much yarn left. I'm telling you, I'm a little nervous, but here's what I have so far. And I mean, you can clearly see the pink right here in the center. I mean, so I'm going to keep going and see if I have enough yarn for this. Let's keep going. Okay, we have good news so far. All right, we're this far. We're closing up our little chicken here. I got to stuff him. And I have this little ball of yarn left. So I think I'm okay. I don't think I need any more white after this. I think we'll be good. So let's stuff, and then we change to the red here at some point to make the comb. This is his little rear end. This is his little butt part back here. Let's keep going. Okay, so the pattern had us closing this up. You just slip stitch across the top. We get to stitch 9, then you stuff it. Okay, you could probably stuff it before you have 9 stitches done. It's a little harder to stuff with 9 stitches done. Anyhow, that's not a big deal. But then they have us keep going and switch to red to do the comb on the last stitch. Then the next direction says holding your chicken this way, put the eyes in between rounds 14 and 15. How can you put the eyes in when you've closed up the top of your chicken? I had to take it apart. Here's our eyes. Our eyes are in. I don't know if they're crooked. It's fine. I don't care. Whatever. So now I'm going to close up the rest of the top and join the red for the comb, which would already joined our red and everything. So, okay. Little faux pas in the pattern there. Okay, well, all in all, this wasn't bad, okay? Except for the little faux pas with finish off the whole top of the chicken and then try to put the eyes in. That wasn't going to work. And my pink, at least it was on the bottom. It's all around the bottom here. So anyhow, there's our little comb. The comb is fine. His little eyes are very small. Got our little pink blush. They wanted you to do a weird like chain 4 and then like sew that on between his eyes. And I'm like, no, we're just going to go back and forth until we make a beak. Anyhow, there he is. He's cute. Look, he's got a little tail here. The way you like sew this up, he gets a little tail. He's kind of cute. He's like palm sized. He's very small. Okay. So with all my worries, I had this much of the white left. Now this does start to shed after a while when you start tying things up and whatnot. Anyhow, we had that much of the white left. We have this much red. I mean, they gave me enough red to do like 17 combs. A little bit of pink left, that much. And we have this much of the gold left. So we had yarn left, didn't run out of yarn. We even have one extra safety eye and it's back. And we have this much fiber fill. So all in all, I mean, it worked out well. He's cute. He's cute, right? Not bad. And this kit was like $7 or $8 or something like that. So he's cute. You could take this to a little craft show and sell him for $10 or something, you know. And it didn't take that long. It really didn't take that long. And I like the shaping of it. It's probably the best chicken I've ever made. I made a few chickens and I like this one. Speaking of chickens, I have to go outside and make sure my chickens are put away. I saw the ducks come up and it's time for them to go to bed. So Dale's not here. It's my turn. I get to go take care of the chickens. So that's how it turned out, you guys. So this is from the Walmart kit. I don't know. Does it have a company? I got fuzzies on me. I don't know if there's a company name anywhere. Create It. So at this point, I would say the Create It kits are pretty good. Give them a try. He should have had bigger eyes, I think. Maybe just a little bigger. I could have put bigger eyes in there, but he's okay. He's just got beady little eyes. He's a beady little eyed chicken. All right. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoy these little kit reviews. I have plenty of them to do, and I'm going to try to get to more of them. I think I'm going to do a Michael's kit next. Yep, I haven't done a Michael's kit. They have kits all the time. I think that's the next one I want to try. So, bok, 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 bok. Good night, everybody.